In today's video, I'm going to teach you what's TradingView all about and why you need it. If you're stepping into the world of trading and financial markets, you've probably heard of TradingView. This powerful platform is not just another charting tool, it's an entire ecosystem designed to enhance your trading experience. First up, let's get you started with TradingView. To begin, you'll visit their website and create an account. Once you're in, you'll see how user-friendly it is. You'll notice the clean and intuitive interface, which is perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. Go ahead and get comfortable exploring around because this will be your trading dashboard. Next, let's dive into navigating and customizing your charts. TradingView offers extensive options to personalize your charting experience. You can easily adjust chart types, whether you prefer line charts, bars, or candlesticks. Just a few clicks will switch your view seamlessly. To further tailor your charts, you can modify time frames ranging from seconds to monthly intervals, allowing you to capture market trends that best suit your trading strategy. As you start setting up charts, you're going to want to utilize the essential drawing tools and technical analysis features. TradingView provides a variety of drawing tools like trend lines, Fibonacci retracement levels, and more. These tools can be accessed directly from the toolbar and are indispensable for precise market analysis. Understanding how to apply these tools effectively will give you an edge in predicting market movements. For a deeper insight into market trends, let's take a look at key TradingView indicators you should know. Indicators are vital for technical analysis, and TradingView comes packed with popular ones like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and MACD. You can easily add these to your charts and customize them to align with your trading technique. Each indicator serves a specific purpose, like the moving averages for identifying trend direction or MACD for gauging momentum. Now, let's explore some of the advanced features and strategies on TradingView that can elevate your trading game. TradingView supports implementing complex strategies using PineScript, its own scripting language. Additionally, there are backtesting features where you can test your trading strategies against historical data to see how they would have performed in the past, which is quite invaluable for developing effective trading systems. Another critical feature you shouldn't overlook is setting up alerts, so you never miss a trade. TradingView allows you to set alerts based on price levels, indicators, or even drawing tool-related criteria. You can configure these alerts to notify you via different methods, be it pop-ups, emails, or even texts, ensuring you stay informed of market changes wherever you are. Finally, let's take a quick look at my TradingView indicator tier list. I'll share which indicators I find the most useful and provide insights into how they fit within different trading strategies. This will hopefully give you a clearer picture of how to prioritize these tools when setting up your own trading environment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering TradingView and using it to its full potential to improve your analysis and trading decisions.